Hello. She wants to come in, Tessa.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, Joshua. You are not Joshua. Open the door.
Okay. Mama!
If you would have read your syllabus, you would have known that...
Some to the B, some to the B, M to the B, some to the B, some to the B.
Wait, what are y'all doing with your heads?
One more time. Tell me what to do. Wee. One more time. Wee.
Around, that's right, on top, it's tricky, it's so fun. Here we go, it's tricky to rock.
Oh, mama!
Yo ho, all hands, hoist the colors high, heave ho, thieves and beggars, never shall we die.
I see you whining and grinding up on the floor. I know you see me looking at you, and you already know I wanna love you.
One more time. Tell me what to do. Wee. One more time. Wee.
This is Hank. He's a golden retriever, and his owner likes to tell us that sometimes Hank can be a little bit weird. I bathed him in our de-shedding shampoo, and then I rinsed him off. He gets on the table, and he forgets that he knows how to stand. As the table goes up, he gets very concerned and begins to slide. Then he realizes he does know how to stand, and we fully blow-dry him. He doesn't like it much, so he faces the wall. After that, I brush him with my coral brush and my undercoat rake. I clip his nails, and I tidy up his very hairy paws. I shave out his paw pads, and then I do some doggy detailing. I tidied up his chest using my sea comb, and then I rounded up his ears. I do some blending, spray him in our Jelly Bean cologne, and Hank is all finished, looking handsome. We love his weirdness.
One more time. Tell me what to do. Wee. One more time. Wee.
Bark at your dog.
Roof!
We've had a discussion.
About what?
Your mother wants to get a convertible, a car without a lid. But whenever we're in the normal car, nobody's allowed to lower the window more than a crack because it messes with the hair. So, explain that to me.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man. Are you ready for school?
Hey. Hey, Justin.
Hey, girls. Alexa, it's time to get sexy.
Oh, is Logan here?
Uh-oh.
Who the frick is Logan?
That's for me.
Dad, am I ugly?
Nonsense. I'm looking at you right now. You're the most beautiful girl in the world.
Baba, am I ugly?
Very much.
Get ready to meet my mom.
Yeah, I tell you, I'll tell you what. Let me tell you what.
Mother! Cut my life into pieces. This is my last resort. Suffocation, no breathing. Don't give a damn if my arm is bleeding.
Shake that left and tap it, girl. Bring it back and drop it, girl. I wanna see you pop it, girl. Don't stop, just drop it, girl. You got a booty with your back real fat.
Why are you looking at them girls like that?
You look good. That's why I'm looking at it like that.
But Dad, they're not even your age.
Do it look like I give a fuck? Do it look like I give a fuck and I don't? Age ain't nothing but a number. You'll learn that when you get older. Plus, I'm just looking.
That's aside the point, R. Kelly. You looking at them little girls like that, and you're gonna be looking at me through a glass window when you in jail.
Shut the hell up, Sean. You don't know what you're talking about. Plus, I'm looking at her right there, and I know little girls.
Miss Penny? That should weigh like 400 pounds. Plus, she in a wheelchair.
I'm not talking about Miss Penny. Her right there.
Oh, Miss Johnson.
That's right.
I heard she used to be a man.
Shut the hell up, Sean. She ain't used to be no man. What you talking about? She's just a tall tree, and I want to cut it down. That's what I want to do.
Yeah, before you cut it down, make sure you cut that branch off.
Get the hell out of there. I told you, shut the hell up.
Fuck off. Fuck off. Lick the dandelion. Dip. Feed the board. Oh, let's all leave hate comments. Because I'm a bellend. Fuck off. It's Pepper's flaps. Fuck. Confetti. Fuck up, you bitch. Clean it with wet ones. Chicken, you want some? Oh, fucking hell. Frisbee. There you go. Fuck off. Hunter's chicken lasagna. Oh, don't you fucking dare.
Daddy's grumpy.
What the hell is even that?
Hey guys, so this is my thumb. Yes, it's very long. Yes, it's real. And yes, I've never lost a thumb battle.